Can a robot this tiny really move all by itself?
Watch closely.
Whoa, it's really moving.
And this is only robot 1 out of 12 different robots. Hi everyone, I'm Yuri.
Hi, I'm Zina. Welcome to Wax Kids Lab.
Today, I'm showing you Robot 1, the first robot I built from this kit. Let's get started. Robot 1 is finished.
Wow, it's so tiny and cute.
It's only about the size of my fist.
My fist is almost as big as his teeny little feet. Tiny little feet.
Even though it's small, it has a battery, a motor, and gears inside. Its head is actually the battery pack.
So, can it really move on its own?
Of course, Robot 1, power on.
Wow! Look at its tiny tail.
One wheel popped off, but that's an easy fix. Robot 1, power on. Looks like it really likes you.
It's moving again. And look, it has the cutest little tail.
Its little arms can move too.
Wow, that makes it feel like a real little robot.
Exactly. It's compact, but it has a lot of clever little details.
Guys, look at that tiny tail. Let's give our little robot a challenge.
What kind of challenge?
Let's see if it can drive all the way from one end of the table to the other. 2, 1, go.
Challenge complete!
Yay! It did it! This tiny robot is actually pretty amazing. But what makes it move?
The battery powers the motor. The motor turns the gears and the gears spin the wheels. That's what makes the robot move.
Wow, there's so much packed inside such a tiny robot. So where is the battery? Wait, is it inside the head?
That's right. The head itself is the battery pack.
What do we do when it runs out of power?
There's a USB-C charging port right here, so we can plug it in and recharge it. Let's charge it up. When the light turns red, it means the battery is charging.
Red means charging. So what does blue mean?
A blue light means the robot is powered on.
Got it. Red is charging and blue means it's ready to go.
Exactly.
It says 12 in -1 here. Can we really build 12 different robots?
Yes. Today we built the very first one.
Then we still have 11 more to build.
We'll keep building them one by one in future videos.
I already want to know what Robot 2 looks like.
If you want to see Robot 2, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Science is so much fun. See you next time. Bye.